Adventurer's been around a long time. It's a name that's been associated with Winnebago for quite some time. We actually took the Adventurer name out of circulation about 2 years ago, knowing that we'd reintroduce it at some point in time, and that's today. My name's Niles Whitehouse. I'm the product manager for Class A gas at Winnebago. It is a Class A gas built on a Ford chassis. There are 5 floor plans ranging from 27 feet to 36 feet. It is truly our flagship gas. High-end amenities, high-end features. Some would say Class A diesel-like, but in an affordable Class A gas motorhome. Safety is very important to us, all the way from the rear vision cameras. The Adventurer is built with our superstructure. It's all steel cage construction up front, so you're surrounded in the cab by steel. We have a steel firewall. All our seat belts are mounted in steel, and all of the major componentry inside the coach are mounted into steel. The cab area is fantastic. We have an exclusive feature to Winnebago called a Versa seat. What that allows is the passenger and driver seat to fully swivel without being interfered by the steering wheel or anything else in the cockpit. We have a 10-inch screen, monitor screen for the infotainment systems, navigation, that kind of thing that's angled towards the driver. Huge visibility through the windshield. We're very generous with our USB ports, 110 outlets. Has a workstation for computer that has the 110. The amount of storage is phenomenal. Doors, drawers, everywhere. We have the Dream dinette, which is the easy way to convert that to a bed. The sofa converts to a bed. There's a queen bed inside, so you can sleep 8 passengers. We have seat belts for 7. Just a tremendous amount of storage, tremendous amount of features in there. High visibility through the windows. We try to provide as many windows as we can for the great outdoors. The front bunk houses at the ceiling level and then comes down on track, so it's a retractable bunk. The capacity is 600 pounds, so that is an available option in every one of the Adventurer floor plans. Storage on the exterior of the coach is fantastic. All Adventurers feature single paddle latch, side swing compartment doors with full pass-through. All the drainage is housed in one compartment. So that means every faucet, every shower, everything in the entire coach is filtered water. All feature an exterior TV underneath the awning, so if you're outside, want to watch TV, you're underneath the awning protected from the rain or glare so you can see your TV. Outside awning is automatic awning. It has LED lights inside of it when it's in the out position, so it'll light your patio. Automatic retraction on that, a wind sensor, so that, you get wind, it'll pull back in automatically. The Adventurer is for couples, retirees, families, anyone who wants to enjoy the outdoors, maybe step up into a bigger, more fully featured motorhome. The Adventurer is truly your home away from home.